Moen offers a distinctive line of bath accessories such as towel rings, robe hooks, towel bars, paper holders, and lights to help you create a perfectly coordinated bath. In this video, we'll show you how to install any of our Moen bath lights. All of our lights are designed with quick connect wiring, helping to simplify installation. Turn off the power to the bath light at the electrical panel. Verify power is off by turning the light switch in the bath to the on position. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends a Phillips screwdriver, level, electrical tape, and safety glasses. If you're installing a bracket similar to this one that mounts into the wall versus the electrical box, you'll also need a drill, 1/8 inch drill bit, and a pencil. Remove your existing bath light. On the new Moen bath light, disconnect the quick connect wires from the light. Then use the wire nuts provided to connect the bare ends to the electrical box wires. Black to black, white to white, and bare or green to the green wire. If a mounting wire is not provided, attach the green wire to the green screw on the mounting plate. Wrap the wire nuts in electrical tape. Place the wires into the electrical box on the wall, leaving the quick connect end out. Now take the bath light's mounting plate and thread the longer set of provided screws into the appropriate holes from the back. Use your level to ensure the screws are horizontal and adjust accordingly. Then use the remaining set of provided screws to secure the mounting plate to the electrical box. If you have this style of mounting plate, you'll need to place the mounting plate on the wall, with a circular cutout aligned with the electrical box on the wall. Use a level to ensure the mounting plate is level. Then use a pencil to mark the drywall corresponding to the four corners of the mounting plate. Use a drill and 1/8 inch drill bit to drill pilot holes. Then place the wall anchors inside the pilot holes until flush with the drywall. Place the mounting plate back on the wall and attach to the wall using the 4 screws. Screw into the wall using a screwdriver until secure. To install the bath light, reconnect the quick connect wires. Place the bath light over the screws and use the decorative nuts to hand tighten until the light is secure. Remove the socket nuts from the bath light. Then hold the globes in place, thread on the socket nut, and hand tighten until secure. If provided, use the socket nut installation tool. Install light bulbs and turn the power back on at the electrical panel. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installation is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services